GK questions on Indian languages. Which language is oldest in India? Sanskrit. Which is the oldest Dravidian language? Tamil. What are the six classical languages of India? Tamil, Telugu, Sanskrit, Kannada, Malayalam and Odia. Which language is mostly spoken in India? Hindi. How many official languages are there in India? 22. In which Indian village people speak only Sanskrit? Mattur village in Shimoga district of Karnataka. Which language is called Italian of the East? Telugu. Which is the India's second most spoken language? Bengali. Which Indian language is a palindrome? Malayalam. In which script is Hindi written? Devanagari script. Which language has highest Jnanapeeth award? Kannada. Which was Gandhi's first language? Gujarati. In which Indian language national anthem Janaganamana was originally composed? Bengali. Which is the official language spoken in state of Goa? Konkani. In which part of India Bodo language is spoken? Northeastern India. Which language is widely spoken in Meghalaya? Khasi. Which state language is Dogri? It is a state language in Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. What is the official language of Maharashtra? Marathi. What is the official language of Lakshadweep Island? Malayalam. Which is the second official language in Uttarakhand? Sanskrit. Which language gained most by the patronage given to scholars by Krishna Deva Rai? Telugu. What is the official language of Odisha? Odia language. Where is Central Institute of Indian Languages? Mysore. What is an online Indian language platform hosted by Central Institute for Indian Language? Bharatavani. How many languages are there in Indian currency? 15 languages. When was Hindi declared as official language of India? In the year 1950. Which language was used in literature of Sangam period? Tamil. What is the official language of Nagaland? English. Which Indian language has most literature? Sanskrit. Which language is widely spoken in Daman and Diu Union Territory? Gujarati. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel for more updates.